Most emails today are just plain text. No structure, no visuals, nothing that really stands out. But if you want to create clean, well-designed emails with images, buttons, and proper layout, without switching between multiple tools, this is where it gets interesting. Let me show you how to create, personalize, and send emails using Tiny Emails in TinyCommand. By the end of this, you'll know how to build an email, customize it, and use it inside your workflows. From the home page, head over to Email under Quick Actions. This will open Tiny Emails, where you can either start building your email from scratch using the blocks on the right, or let AI generate a complete email for you. I'll start with AI. I'll give it a simple prompt to create a welcome email for new users, and within a few seconds, Tiny Emails generates a full email with structure, content, and layout already in place. Now, this isn't fixed. Everything here is fully editable. You can click on any block, update the text, change the layout, or remove sections entirely based on your needs. On the right side, you'll see all the available blocks. You can drag and drop headings, text, buttons, images, columns, or even HTML blocks to design your email exactly the way you want. Let's quickly make a few changes. I'll update the heading, tweak the text a bit, and add a button. Now, for images, you can click on the image block. You'll see 4 options here. You can upload your own image, choose one from Unsplash, pick from your gallery, or even generate an image using AI. I'll generate one. You just describe what you want, select the aspect ratio, and generate it. Once it's ready, you can directly insert it into your email. Now, your email is visually ready. Next, let's make it dynamic. Anywhere you have text, you can add variables using curly braces. For example, I'll write hi and insert the name variable. When this email is used inside a workflow, this value will automatically be replaced with actual user data. This works with data coming from forms, tables, or even AI outputs. So every email you send can be personalized at scale. Once your email template is ready, click Save. This template is now stored and can be reused anytime. You can create multiple templates like welcome emails, newsletters, follow-ups, and keep them organized in your library. If you already have templates from another tool, you don't need to rebuild them. You can import your existing HTML or JSON templates directly into Tiny Emails. And if you ever want to move them out, you can export them as well. Now, let's see how this actually gets used. Go to Workflows, and inside your workflow, add an email node. Here, you can select the template you just created, map your variables like name from your form or database, and choose how you want to send the email using your email provider. In this case, we'll use Gmail, but you can also use Zoho Mail, Outlook, or others. So the full flow looks like this. A user fills a form that triggers a workflow, and this email gets sent automatically using your template. That's how Tiny Emails fits into the system. You're not just designing emails, you're creating templates that plug directly into your automation. So instead of using separate tools for writing, designing, and sending emails, everything happens in one place. That's Tiny Emails. You create, customize, personalize, and send emails, and all it takes is a tiny command.